Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 26th day of August, 2025. And we're going to go to our old friend, the strong candle indicator, which is this little green arrow down here. It says this candle's very strong. We should take it in the direction that the arrow is pointing. So we're going to take this candle long. The market was kind of slow today. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 30 to 50 ticks long. So we're going to use a smaller ATM. We're going to use our 11s, 21s, and 41s and make sure we get paid on all contracts. So all we need to do is get an order ready. So we're going to buy it, wait for the market. We'll start over top of the candle, wait for the market to buy down, move it from the end of the candle down to the body, and then we'll just get picked up and let it go. So this is what happened in the live trading room today. And here we go. This indicator is amazing at how good it really is. All right, there's a move down. All right, first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is down here. Not really worried about this. It's just a simple retrace. It should come down to this brick wall, push off of it, and then pay all of our targets. We can spread it out a little bit more. You'll see when we had our first target hit, we move our stop to a break-even position. So it's only 11 tick first target. And finally got some notice that our stop is now break even. So if he comes back now and takes us out, we have a chance to get back in if we want to, or we can just leave it alone. And now we'll see if we can catch our runners to 21s and 41s. Speed it up just a tad. Let's get another order ready just in case. So if this does come back and take us out at break even, we can just drop a new order on if we want to. I say it was pretty slow today. This is 4 times the market speed, just to give you some idea, excuse me, about um, how slow the market was actually moving. So here we go. So our 11 tick targets are out times 2. Our 21 tick targets out. So we're 40 ticks into profit times 5. It's 200 US dollars. Now we're going to wait and see if our 40 tick target gets hit. And it does. And boom. That trade took less than 2 minutes to complete and was worth 420 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 420 US dollars in 2 minutes, take that back, not 2 minutes, 7 minutes. My bad. If you want to learn how to make 420 US dollars in 7 minutes, come join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you're going to find your strong candle indicator. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless, and see you the next day.